Well, it took 410 lenders to fill the local demand for payment, the Paycheck Protection loans and the program there. They approved 29,000 loans in all in less than 3 months.
The WCPO 9i team has been digging into the numbers on this government stimulus program for several weeks now. Investigative reporter Dan Monk says PPP loans in Greater Cincinnati generated at least $90 million in fees for the banking industry.
By almost any measure, Kenwood-based C-Bank occupies a tiny sliver of the local banking market. Its $206 million in assets makes it about 900 times smaller than Fifth Third Bank. But C-Bank came up big for small borrowers this year when heavy demand for Paycheck Protection loans left many small business owners at the back of the line. C-Bank approved 208 loans in 5 weeks, earning at least $1.3 million in fees from the SBA, according to the I-Team's analysis.
I've been covering the space for 17 years, and I can't think of a time where you've seen this volume of loans go into the banking system in such a short period of time.
Nathan Stovall is a banking analyst for the research firm S&P Global Market Intelligence.
The banks stepped up and worked hard and got $520 billion out there. In pretty quick order.
Although he wouldn't talk on camera, C-Bank CEO Dean Miser told me the bank will make a modest profit on its PPP loan portfolio. He didn't dispute our estimate that the bank will generate at least $1.3 million in fees. He says the program was costly to administer. Stovall says he's heard that a lot from bankers all over the country.
Some of the banks we've seen who've outpunched their weight have even talked about, okay, we think we're going to make pretty good money off of this, but we're actually going to pay that out in terms of bonuses for our employees because we know they went above and beyond.
C-Bank normally caters to privately owned companies, but SBA stats show nearly 10% of its loans went to local nonprofits, including the Children's Home and the Ronald McDonald House. Miser says the bank picked up some new customers with its nonprofit lending, which should fuel future growth. Dan Monk, WCPO 9, I-Team.